Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fill out the California DE-4 form. First, get a copy of the California DE-4 form, also known as the Employees Withholding Allowance Certificate. Now start by entering your personal information. Fill in your full name, home address, social security number, and filing status. Then select your filing status. Choose whether you are single, married, or head of household. This helps determine how much California state tax will be withheld from your paycheck. Next, complete Worksheet A if it applies to you. Here you can calculate your regular withholding allowances for yourself, your spouse, and any dependents you claim. After that, move to Worksheet B if you have deductions that are higher than the standard deduction. This may include mortgage interest, charitable donations, or other itemized deductions. Now complete Worksheet C if you need to claim additional deductions or make further adjustments to your withholding allowances. Then go to Worksheet D if you have more than one job, your spouse works, or you receive significant income from sources other than wages. This worksheet helps calculate the correct withholding amount. Once the worksheets are completed, transfer the total number of allowances to the allowance section on the main DE-4 form. Next, if you want additional California state tax withheld from each paycheck, enter the extra dollar amount in the designated field. After that, carefully review all the information you entered. Make sure your personal details, filing status, allowances, and additional withholding amounts are correct. Then sign and date the form in the employee signature section. California requires employees to sign the DE-4 before it can be processed. Now make a copy of the completed form for your records if needed. Finally, submit the completed DE-4 form to your employer's payroll or human resources department so they can update your state tax withholding. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.